Ever wondered how you grow, or why your cuts always heal within just a few days? In this video, we're going to take a look at how our cells divide, specifically mitosis, the process of cell cloning. But before we start, to make sure you'll be comfortable with everything in this video, you'll need to know what all these terms mean. Pause the video and have a look. So why do our cells divide? Well, there are three important reasons: growth, repair, and asexual reproduction, meaning reproduction that does not involve the fusion of gametes. Now, a typical cell goes through a process of growth and development called the cell cycle. Mitosis is the process in which our cells produce two genetically identical cells. However, it only takes up about 10 to 20% of the entire cell cycle. The other 80% takes place in the stage we call the interphase, during which the cell is not dividing but is carrying out its normal cellular functions such as aerobic respiration or protein synthesis. The first stage of mitosis is called the prophase and takes place after the cell has duplicated its DNA. During this phase, the chromosomes become shorter and thicker and the nuclear envelope breaks down. The centrioles from which the spindle fibers form also begin to move to opposite poles of the cell. The second stage is the metaphase, during which the chromosomes line up at the cell crater and the spindle fibers attach to the centromere of each sister chromatid. Next, the cell goes into anaphase, which is when the sister chromatids, now called chromosomes, are pulled to opposite ends of the cell by the spindle fibers. In the penultimate step, which is called the telophase, the chromosomes begin to decondense and the nuclear envelope reforms. Finally, the cell goes through a process called cytokinesis, during which the cytoplasm divides into two genetically identical daughter cells. You might find it easier to remember the whole process using the anagram PMAT, P standing for prophase, M standing for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. Okay, so hopefully now you should be able to describe the importance of mitosis. You should then be able to describe the stages of the cell cycle involving mitosis. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your exams.